pressure cleaners, pressure washers. I want to talk about a system that is different and new to the range here in Australia. We've talked about similar systems in the range, and this industrial portable pressure cleaning systems, heavy duty roll frame, pneumatic tyres, vibration isolator, low speed pump. But this system is different. I want to run you through the specifications and give you a bit of a demonstration. So we're still running at 15 litres a minute, powered by the Honda GX390, but we're running a Udor pump at 4300 PSI, 15 litres a minute, 4300 PSI. So it's an up-spec version of previous models in the range and will be available shortly here in Australia. Let's put it through its paces. So jetted accordingly, get a 15-degree nozzle on, and it's packing some real punch. Appreciate you watching. Check out the website links below. And look out for our new mega site at bluetongueindustries.com.au. We'll catch you on the next video.